Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about one of the important topic which many of the YouTubers, new YouTubers or whose channel has got just monetized are curious to know, and that is CPM. Yes, for people who don't know about CPM is basically how much money you make from YouTube for 1,000 views on your video. So that is CPM, and CPM varies from country to country. That's why it's not clear, and most of the YouTubers they never give you the exact number, like how much they make for 1,000 views. Why? Because you know, it, like I said, that it varies from country to country. This month you have got your views from the country which has got the highest CPM, or next month you are getting your views from some other country which has got less CPM. It keeps varying, and if you are getting the views from a country that has got the highest CPM, then you will always have some good money, a good amount of money coming in your account every month. But by the way, before that, my channel got monetized recently and I have made a video on that. And imagine, I was about to quit IBM. Just before I decided I'm gonna quit, the miracle happened and my channel got monetized. So I have made a video on that, and if you are interested to know like what all the difficulties and how it happened, then please go check out that video. But after this video, yeah, so I'm gonna link it somewhere here, that video, so you can check out later. But as of now, coming to the topic, so the CPM, you know, before my channel got monetized, I was not at all bothered about CPM. Yes, of course, because channel is not making money, my YouTube channel is not making money, then what's the point of even thinking about CPM? Because even if I have that information, that's not gonna even help me in any way. So what's the point of having that information? I had the curiosity always to know like how much these YouTubers make, but I didn't know about CPM and all. And CPM and all, everything I got to know only after my channel got monetized. You know what, like you might have seen many videos. I myself, you know, I saw many videos to know more about CPM, but I never got the exact figure, like how much money YouTubers make. You know, nobody shared the exact information clearly, because it was always like a bit of confusion, but never it was clear from any of the YouTubers. So in this video, I'm gonna share that secret with you guys. Okay, nothing is hidden. I'm gonna share with you guys like which country has got the highest CPM, and which country you can target to get the good amount, and which country you can just, you know, let it be, because you're not getting another good CPM from there. But CPM is something that's for us, but we want the main thing for our channels to have the viewers. So definitely we want viewers from all across the world, so the viewers don't have to worry about it. It's only for the YouTubers, so just don't break your head. All right, so let me just tell you now which country has got the highest CPM. Okay, and I have got this graph ready. Like if you see, this is the graph which shows that which country has got the highest. Can you guys guess like which country may have a good, may have the highest YouTube CPM? If you're thinking United States, nah. If you're thinking United Kingdom, nah. You know what? It is Maldives. Yes, you heard me right. It's Maldives. Maldives is #1 with the highest YouTube CPM, and that is 15.47. right, it's 15.47. can you imagine? I didn't know this at all. Okay, so yeah, I did a bit of a research on my own, which I didn't get from any of the other YouTubers, and got this information for you guys. So it's Maldives. And if you're thinking that United States and United Kingdom second, no, it's not. It's nowhere even close to it. Second is Guadeloupe, and it has got 10.97. Third is Denmark, which is 10.61, and so on, and then Poland and Pakistan. Can you believe? So it's first is Maldives, then Guadeloupe, which is again an island, then is Denmark, then Poland, then Pakistan. Can you believe Pakistan? Not India, but Pakistan. India is not even there in this graph. Can you imagine? It's not even there in this graph, because this is the list of only the top countries that has got the highest CPM, and India is not even there in this list. How sad is that? And I was targeting only the Indian audience. Anyways, so yeah, United States nowhere close, which is United States is in the 9th position with 5.33. Can you believe? Maldives has got 15.47 and this has got 5.33 CPM, and United Kingdom is the last in this graph, which proves me wrong, because one UK pound is equivalent to around 94 to 95 rupees, and $1 is equivalent to around 72 rupees. What I was thinking is United Kingdom has got the highest CPM, and now I realized that United Kingdom has got 4.59. okay, the CPM rate is just 4.59. so basically it means for your 1000 views from the UK country you get only 4.59, and if you for 1000 views from Maldives you get 15.47. so I think now I'm gonna catch all my friends who have plans to fly to Maldives. I'm gonna ask them to watch my videos when they go to Maldives. It's just, I'm not gonna do anything like that.
I'm not greedy.
No, I'm not gonna do anything like that. I was just kidding. By the way, so guys, now you know that which country has got the highest, like this island has got the highest CPM rate. So you know that where to go to get the highest CPM rate. So if you want to know the CPM of the like of different countries, then I'm gonna attach the link in the description below for you guys to go through it. And now moving on to, okay, what happened to my phone? Once again, oh yeah, moving on to the CPM rate of India. Okay, so I have already spoken about like United States and Switzerland is 5.18. yeah, even on Australia and New Zealand is better compared to United States. So, and in China the CPM is just 2.36, so forget it. And but either ways, Chinese, they don't even use YouTube, I think. Then comes India, and the CPM rate of India just makes me laugh. It's just 2.02. so for 1000 views from India you get just $2.02. oh my god, that's too less. And the least is Malaysia, which is 1.31. so we don't want views from Malaysia. Yeah, no, just kidding. I know. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. The least is from Jordan, Jamaica and Jordan. Jamaica is 0.03 and Jordan is 0.02. so I'm sorry, my bad. So the least is from Jordan, and we don't want from Jordan. All right guys, so these are the CPM rates, and like I said that the highest is from Maldives, Denmark, and Pakistan. So if you get views from these countries, then you will definitely get a good pay from YouTube. You know, you might have seen many videos where the YouTubers say, like some of the YouTubers, they say that they, you know, for a million views they've got less pay from YouTube comparatively, and like, or sometimes they say that for million views they have got like really good pay from YouTube. Now that's totally because of the CPM, from which country you're getting the views, so it totally depends on that. I'm gonna link all the information about the different countries with their CPM in my description box for you guys to know. Now guys, important thing, if you're someone who is on YouTube just with the intent of making money, then it's really important for you to concentrate on those countries that has got the highest CPM. Now if you ask me, you know, I am an Indian in UK and I target the Indian audience because I'm here because I love doing it. I enjoy making YouTube videos, and that's that's the reason why I just focus on, you know, having more YouTube friends, followers. And my main intention is like, you know, just to grow and enjoy what I'm doing. And money, for me, money is secondary, so I'm not focusing on that. And that's why, you know, I make Hindi videos as well, so that I can reach out to more Indian audience. And that's the reason why I do Hindi videos. But if you are focusing on the countries that has got higher CPM rate, if you just pause this video and check the link below. In that, if you you know, just go through the countries that has got higher CPM rate, are all the countries has English language in common. So it's important for you to make videos in English and not in regional languages or your own language. So making English videos and targeting all those countries that speaks English, and they have got higher CPM rate. So that's one point that you can concentrate on. And so if you see the countries in Asia, they have got a less CPM. Now you need to know that what kind of content that you need to make to, you know, attract countries with highest CPM. And I just gave you one tip that try to make more English videos and not any other regional language videos. And least amount of CPM is of Southeast Asian countries. Now you know it, which country to target and what kind of content you need to make in order to target the countries that have got highest CPM. So for you, if it's only about earning through YouTube, then this is the point that you have to keep in your mind: the CPM, which country has got the highest CPM, and what kind of content you need to make in order to reach out to those countries with highest CPM. Alright guys, so that was all about CPM, different countries with different CPM rates, and which has got the highest and which has got the lowest. So it was all the information that I had, which I researched on my own. And if you think that, you know, there is some I'm not correct, or maybe, you know, there is some correction, then please do correct me by commenting in the comment section below. And if you want to know more about my monetization experience before and after, then do let me know. I would definitely be happy to share with you guys. And alright guys, so if you like my video, then please do not forget to hit that like button. And if you're a first time visitor to my channel, then please do not forget to click that red subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates. Like whenever I'm uploading any new video, you will get the notification, and you don't have to keep visiting my channel in order to see if I have uploaded a new video. So just click that bell icon, it will make your life easy and you will get the notification. So that was all about it. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.